What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. I am Kimmy if you are new here. Today we are going to be doing a winter haul part. I don't even know what part it is anymore for something like that. We are almost done with this series tier, but not to worry, y'all know I'll be back with other fashion videos. If you haven't checked out part 1, 2, 3 and whatever other parts, make sure you go check that out. Without further ado, alright, y'all, I'm not even gonna say this jacket looks small. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna try it on. And it's actually a cute little plain jacket, you know, like a cute little basic jacket. I like the green zipper. Green, oh goodness. I'm tired, y'all. I like this gold zipper. You know, it makes you look like royalty. It really don't, but you know, it gives a nice little pop of color anyway. Let's see. Cute. Wait, now this one is a little small, but it's workable. You be doing magic with these jackets. They be looking so small when you put them on. It's like, oh, never mind. But yeah, this one is a little smaller, but only because the waist part, it's not stretchy like the blue jacket. It's not like a elastic waistband at the bottom of the jacket. It's like set. So if it's not fitting, it's not fitting, sweetheart. Yeah, it's no stretching it at all. I mean, you can like pull it. Let me show y'all. You can like pull it right here and you can make it tighter. Oh, actually, that's pretty cool. You can make it, oh, that's pretty cool, y'all. You can make it like a crop top jacket. Oh yeah, we love that. We love to see it. Let's make it a little tighter. All right now, all right, ow. I don't even know how that looks. Wait, how that look? Oh yeah, that's cute, sis. Yeah. You can make it like a little crop top jacket, so making it bigger, forget about it, but making it smaller, okay, they got you. I actually like this. You like a cute little crop top jacket. It was probably meant to be like that, but I don't remember what the picture was like on FashionNova. Yeah, I don't remember, but if it's supposed to be just a crop top jacket, all right now. I don't think it was, but anyway, yeah, you can do that. But yeah, this is so cute. I would definitely wear this, definitely recommend. I'm definitely going to keep it. If the intention is more like a crop top jacket, then yeah, definitely get this. This is super cute. Or if you just wanted to fit, like fit, kind of like a shirt fits, like a fitted shirt fits, I would definitely say get your size. But whatever sized up, if I'm wearing it as a crop top jacket now, I wouldn't have sized up. I would have kept it just like this because I intend on wearing it as a crop top jacket. I got it in a size extra large. So yeah, that's a really cute jacket. All right, shout out FashionNova. I would definitely recommend. All right, next. All right, y'all, and next I got this goat shirt from FashionNova. I actually got the green and yellow one that I showed in the first video, and I think it is so cute. That colorway is so unique, but this one is so cute too because it gives you like a pop of color. Red, you can never go wrong with like a red. But anyway, this is so cute. It says goat on it, and in the bottom corner it says greatest of all time. So when you wear it, let them know. And it has a diamond on the back, and I think it is so cute. I like the drip. This shirt is fire, y'all. Like, I absolutely love it. Would definitely recommend. As far as shoes, I would either wear with the red, blue, black, and white ones, or either the Babe Camo Forces. I feel like this is to be expected. You know, like, you would expect this to go with this. You would expect this to be a good combination. But this, I feel like it's unexpected. It's like, you put that together? I don't know. I feel like this one is a little more unexpected, so I feel like it'll be like a statement piece. I would probably definitely do these. I think these. Yeah, I feel like it'll set it off right. I feel like it'll just be like the statement piece that you need to match this shirt. I definitely think this one. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. You think the red, black, blue, and white ones, or do you think the camo baked ones? Let me know what you think. Alright, y'all, so I actually didn't expect to put this bodysuit in this haul because I actually just got it today. I didn't even know it was gonna arrive in enough time. But this bodysuit is so cute. I got it from FashionNova, and for some reason, y'all, green is really growing on me. At first, I didn't really wear green colors. It's not that I didn't like it, but I just really didn't think to wear it. I didn't think like, wear green. It just gave me like leprechaun, I don't know. But it is really growing on me, y'all. I think one of my favorite colors to wear now is green, and I absolutely love this bodysuit. I literally just put it on and I can't wait to wear it. It is so cute and it fits so well. I'm not gonna lie to you, when I pulled it out, I was like, did I get a size extra large or did I get a 1X? Because last time I got an extra large from FashionNova in a bodysuit, it did not fit, and I was like, oh my gosh, please tell me, because I ordered 4 of them. I was like, please tell me I got a 1X, because this is not gonna fit, and they do not take bodysuits back, rightfully so. That is gross. But I was like, please, but this is the extra large and it actually fits. So I would definitely say be on the safe side and get your actual size, but don't toss them. Please don't toss them, because you can't take it back. I'd rather it be a little too big, and you can't really tell with a bodysuit because it's like stretchy and it fits. It'll probably be like looser down there, but I mean, I think you'll be good. But anyway, I would definitely say like get your size. This is super cute. It fits well and it's just so cute. Like, I absolutely love it. I can't wait to wear this. Like, I'm thinking that I would wear it with like maybe some boots, or maybe you can wear like a little skirt and some boots, or like some high waist pants like this, and then wear with some boots and some little green and gold accessories or whatever. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see how I put it together. But oh my gosh, y'all, this is so cute. I love it. I would definitely recommend. I would definitely buy it again. I got 4 colors. I'm gonna try on 2 of them in this video and then 2 of them in the next video, because I just got so much stuff, y'all. But I absolutely love it. I would definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Alright, here's the same style bodysuit. It's the same size, but this one is like in a burgundy color. And I think it's really cute. The green and red is giving me like Christmassy. But anyway, I really like it. I think it's cute. It fits pretty well. I would definitely recommend it. Alright, these are the same pants as the blue ones. Same thing. They are super cute. I definitely would have gotten my size. But this pink is popping, y'all. Popping like bubble gum. I love them. They're very fitted. But yeah, you need a pink pair of pants. Why not? If you don't have a pink pair of pants, what are you doing? But I absolutely love them, y'all. And I'm a tall girl again. I am 5'7.5", 5'8", and they go all the way down to my ankle. So if you're a tall girl, these pants will definitely fit for you. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Get your size, honey. Get your size. Don't size down unless you want to be busting out of them. All right, y'all. Next are these gray jeans or gray pants, and I think they are super cute. I like how it's like acid wash, and I actually like gray pants. I didn't realize that until now, but yeah, these are really cute. Or maybe I just like the way they put these together. But yeah, they fit really nicely. They're high waist. Again, I'm tall, and it goes all the way down to my ankle. It doesn't go as long as the colored pants, like the blue ones and the pink ones, but they do go down pretty far. So that's cool. So if you're tall, they should work for you. And the front pockets are actually pockets, okay? It's 2 in the front. The back pockets actually pockets. But yeah, I would definitely say get your size. I got these in a 15 and they fit, but I feel like if I wash them, they won't fit. So I would definitely say get your size, but if you want them to be fitted, then you can go a size below. I usually get a 1X. I got a 15. So I definitely like these. 10 out of 10. Recommend. They're really cute. So yeah, go ahead and get them. Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got bubbles in the face. All right, y'all, and next are these bands, y'all. I know, but I love me some bands, and these are so cute, especially the high top ones. I love me a good pair of bands, y'all, especially the high top ones. These are so cute, and I even like the box that it came in, y'all. These are, oh my gosh, everything. I usually get my shoes in a size 11. I wear a size 10.5, but I like to have like a little extra space in my shoes, and I like to know that they fit. So yeah, I got these in a size 11, and they are so adorable, y'all. I cannot wait to wear these. Alright, y'all, and that is a wrap for today's video. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram at Cami_Coco so you can see how I styled these outfits. Until next time.